Hey, what's up? My name is Silvio Perez, and in this video, I'm going to talk about what PPC is so you can understand it even if you have no idea what it is I'm talking about. So let's get started. First and foremost, PPC stands for pay-per-click, and pay-per-click is a form of advertising. It's online advertising where you can run these ads on these different networks, and you will only pay when somebody clicks on your ad. So unlike traditional media where you can pay where somebody views your ad, with pay-per-click, you're only going to pay when somebody actually clicks on your ad. So basically what that means is you're only paying for when somebody actually responds, when somebody actually does something. So unlike a traditional ad, let's say it's a billboard or a radio ad, you're getting charged regardless of whether or not somebody picks up the phone and calls you. With pay-per-click, with PPC, you're only going to pay that ad network that you're advertising on online when they actually click on your ad. So it's super powerful. Now, PPC, pay-per-click, there's a lot of different ad networks out there, a lot of different places you can advertise with this form of advertising with PPC. But to break it all down, it really lies into three categories of the type of PPC advertising you can do. The first category are search networks. So search networks are like Google, Bing, Yahoo. These are all different search engines where you can create these different PPC ads to reach people when they're searching in Google, in Bing, in Yahoo for a product or service that you might provide. So somebody searches, they type these keywords into the search bar, you bid on those keywords that people are looking for, and then your ad pops up at the top, and you're only going to pay when somebody searches that and actually clicks on your ad. So if they search that thing and they see your ad but they don't click, you don't get charged. The next type of ad network is social. So social ad networks are like your Facebooks, your YouTubes, your LinkedIns, your Twitter, your Pinterest. It goes on and on. All these different social networks have advertising programs involved in the back end of these networks so they can make money. And the types of ads they let you produce on these networks are PPC ads. So you can run PPC ads on YouTube, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on Twitter, etc., etc. And then last but not least, the last type of network that you can run these PPC ads on are display network. So the display network is when you go to a website, let's say Forbes.com, and you see on the side, it's all those banner ads on the side of the blog article that you might be reading or that website that you're at. All those different ads on the side, those banner ads, that's the display network. So with the display network, you can reach tons of people on all these different types of websites out there and get your ad out. So for example, let's say you are a personal trainer and you want to reach people that are interested in fitness. So a great example of an ad, a display ad you can run is you can target websites like bodybuilding.com and put your ad on the side of bodybuilding.com where you can promote your business and reach people. So the display network is another opportunity to create these PPC ads and reach more users. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. PPC advertising is extremely powerful. It's very controllable. You set your daily budget. You say how much you want to pay. Everything is in your hands. You just have to make sure that you understand how to tell the network that you're advertising on how to go about and do these things that you want. And if you want to learn more about pay-per-click advertising, if this sounds something interesting that you'd like to use in your business, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I create weekly content on pay-per-click advertising, and in the future I'm going to be releasing training series that actually show you how to go ahead and set up these ads from start to finish on Google, on Facebook, on YouTube, and that's coming in the future. So guys, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, like this video, share with your friends, and I hope you got some value from this. Again, my name is Silvio Perez, and I'll see you next time. Take care.